In this video, we're going to be showing you how to put the handlebars onto the 125cc Thunderbird dirt bike with the start switch and the front headlight. So first, you're going to want to unscrew this and just screw it back in. It is an 8 socket, so if you have a socket set or a drill, you can go ahead and tighten it just like so. Now this clock right here is run all on its own separate battery right in there, so you don't have to worry about having to change a major battery for it. So now for the front handlebars, these will go on the bottom right here, and then these screws will screw in from the bottom. You also want to make sure your wires line up in the middle just like so. Just going to want to hand screw it in for now. And at the end you can tighten it with either a hand wrench or a drill, impact gun, sorry. I will do it on this side. You can go ahead and tighten it afterwards. So for your front handlebars, you're going to need these 4 bolts that come into the bag, and then the top 2 right here. These will be on the top of your handlebars. And the socket is a number 6. Oh. As you can see, he's hand tightening it. And the last one. Now the number socket you used for this one was a 10. Your 4 bolts. And now you want to line up your handlebars. See these lines right here on both sides? You want to make sure they're sitting perfectly or almost perfectly in the middle. And you take your brake wire and put it in the front, and all your other wires go down in the middle. Tighten. For the sake of the video, we're gonna go ahead and finish tightening it after. We'll just move straight into the headlight, the front headlight. So the way the front headlight works is we've already taken off 2 of the bolts. which were sitting right here and here, and here's your wire that connects to the unit. So you fit your wire through the middle, and then you want both sides to be connected onto there. So the plug-in for your wire just hangs out on the side here. It's the only wire that's not connected, and you just go ahead and connect it through, just like so. And now with the front headlights, you want to move your brake wire out of the way. Then you put the bolt and the nut in through the back. And it's also an 8 socket with a 10 wrench for the bolt. You can use your fingers for now, but when you want to tighten it, you want to have a 10 wrench at the back, like so. And then he'll do the same on the other side. Now for this, it's very important. On your front fender, you have these 2 little things sticking up like that. You want to make sure they align inside both of these, which we'll do right after we get these on. So these just slide in, but in order to keep everything in place, you want to have these 2 connected, just like so, as he's doing right now. You just want to slide it down perfectly, just like so. And there's your front headlight.